Honda just confirmed the third-generation Ridgeline is on the way, and it's bringing the most radical changes this truck has ever seen. If you've always liked what the Ridgeline offers but couldn't get past the way it looks next to the competition, that problem is going away. While rivals have been chasing off-road credibility with lifted suspensions and aggressive body cladding, Honda has been quietly engineering a truck that beats them where it actually counts, and the 2028 model is about to make that case louder than ever. New, bold look. 10 years is a long time to run the same basic formula. The current Ridgeline has earned its place on dealer lots, roughly 4,000 to 5,000 units sold every single month for years. But even loyal fans have had one persistent complaint: it just doesn't look like a truck. Honda heard it, loudly. Pull up next to a Tacoma or a Ranger at a stoplight, and the Ridgeline has always been the one that gets overlooked. Buyers who wanted rugged presence, something that actually looked capable before they even turned the key, kept walking past it on the lot. That's about to change. The third-generation Ridgeline is going to be different. Design work is already underway at Honda's California studio, and everything points to a truck that finally looks the part. Think of what Honda did with the latest Passport. The sharper lines, the wider stance, the rugged presence that makes it look ready for something more demanding than a grocery run. That same energy is coming to the Ridgeline, and it's going to be a significant upgrade. What's not changing, though, is the unibody construction that makes this truck so practical in the first place. Honda isn't abandoning what works. It's wrapping it in a package that demands more attention. The engineers in Ohio are handling the hard details, and production will continue at the Lincoln, Alabama plant that's been building Ridgelines for 18 years. Same facility, completely different truck. And while a bolder look is going to turn heads on the lot, what Honda is putting under the hood is what's really going to start conversations. V6 hybrid. Here's where things get genuinely interesting. The biggest mechanical news surrounding the 2028 Ridgeline is the arrival of a new V6 hybrid system, and that's a bigger deal than it might sound at first. Most hybrid pickups and crossovers on the market are built around four-cylinder engines. They work, they're efficient, but they have a ceiling. Anyone who's merged onto a highway with a load in the bed or tried to maintain highway speed while towing knows exactly what that ceiling feels like. Honda is going in a different direction entirely. The new system is going to be based on the well-proven 3.5-liter series V6, the same fundamental architecture that's powered Honda's most capable models for 3 decades, paired with a hybrid setup that adds both performance and efficiency without sacrificing the smooth, refined power delivery this engine family is known for. The result is going to be a hybrid that feels nothing like its rivals. 6 cylinders of refinement combined with electric torque. That's a package that addresses every criticism the Ridgeline has ever faced in the power department: towing, hauling, merging on the highway. All of it is going to feel more capable, and at the same time, fuel economy is about to improve substantially over the outgoing model. Honda's hybrid tech has already proven itself in the Accord and CR-V. Scaling it for a pickup's specific demands, towing, occasional off-road use, heavier loads, has been the engineering challenge. By all accounts, that challenge is close to being solved. But not every Ridgeline buyer is going to want a hybrid, and Honda has a very good answer for those people too. J35, tried and true. Not everyone is interested in a hybrid powertrain, and Honda knows that too. The 3.5-liter V6 is staying in the lineup, and that's the right call. There's a certain kind of buyer who's watched the industry pile on turbos, electric motors, and increasingly complex drivetrains, and wants no part of it. They've seen what happens when modern powertrains get old, and they'd rather have something they can trust at 150,000 miles than something impressive on a spec sheet. For those buyers, the naturally aspirated V6 is going to remain the easy choice. Smooth, low maintenance, and backed by 3 decades of real-world durability. This engine doesn't need to prove anything to anyone. It's not going to be carried over untouched, though. Slight refinements are in the works, aimed at improving efficiency and keeping the powertrain competitive against a class that's been moving quickly. The updates are about to be subtle, because this engine doesn't need a reinvention, just a freshening, and to be honest, Honda seems to understand that better than anyone. So the powertrain story is strong, but climb inside the cab and the upgrades might actually impress you even more. All-new cabin. Pull open the door on the 2028 Ridgeline and the story continues. A completely redesigned interior is coming, and the early direction points to a cabin that's going to set a new standard for the segment. The current Ridgeline's cabin is functional and well thought out. The dual-action tailgate and in-bed trunk were ideas the rest of the industry is still catching up to. but in terms of materials and overall feel, it's showing its age. Spend an afternoon in a newer Tacoma or a well-equipped Ranger, and you start to notice the gap. The new generation is going to close it. Expect softer materials, better build quality, and a level of interior refinement that puts real pressure on the competition. The tech story is just as significant. Anyone who's dealt with an outdated infotainment system on a long drive, hunting through menus, losing navigation signal, fighting with phone connectivity, knows how much that stuff matters when you're actually using the truck. Honda's new system is expected to come with Google built in, bringing Gemini AI capability and a deeper level of integration that makes the whole experience feel current. That's the direction Honda has been moving across its lineup, and the Ridgeline is going to get the full treatment. Physical controls for critical functions are expected to carry over, because Honda has generally resisted the trend of burying everything in a touchscreen, but the center display and digital instruments are going to be a clear step forward. And the spacious cabin that current owners appreciate, that's not going anywhere. Building on the global light truck platform means the Ridgeline continues to share its bones with the Passport and Pilot, which means generous passenger space stays part of the package. All of that adds up to a truck that's genuinely hard to argue with, and when you factor in what Honda is planning for pricing and timing, the case gets even stronger. Release date and price. The production timeline is set. Honda is stopping production of the current Ridgeline later this year, with the all-new redesigned model about to roll out of the Lincoln plant sometime in the second half of next year. That means that buyers will face a gap between the outgoing truck and the new one, but a short turnaround for what Honda is describing as a significant redesign. On pricing, the expectation is a modest increase over the current model, reflecting the new hybrid system and interior upgrades rather than a dramatic jump. The Ridgeline has always played in the mid-30s to mid-40s range depending on trim, and the new generation is unlikely to stray far from that territory. Honda understands that competitive pricing is part of what keeps this truck relevant, and with a stronger case to make on capability and refinement than ever before, the last thing it needs is a sticker shock problem getting in the way. A bolder truck, a smarter cabin, and a hybrid system that no rival in the segment can match. The 2028 Ridgeline is shaping up to be the version that finally silences every critic this nameplate has ever had. The 2028 Honda Ridgeline is arriving as a genuinely different truck, not just an updated version of what came before, but a ground-up rethinking of what this nameplate can be. A rugged new exterior that finally matches the capability underneath, a V6 hybrid system that puts every four-cylinder rival at a disadvantage, a naturally aspirated option for buyers who value simplicity above all else, and a cabin that's going to feel like a significant step forward the moment you sit down. It all adds up to a truck with no obvious weak spots. The wait between the outgoing model and this one is going to feel long, but if what Honda is building in Alabama lives up to what's being described, the 2028 Ridgeline isn't just going to compete in the midsize segment. It's going to redefine what buyers expect from it once again. Loyal customers will be delighted with the new model, clearly, but the Ridgeline will also have to face new competition. The newly established segment of cheaper and smaller unibody pickup, which currently consists of the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz, is about to get serious expansion in the near future, and one of the newcomers is the Toyota RAV4 pickup, which you can check out in our next video. Based on the world's best-selling SUV, this pickup is about to combine well-known qualities such as efficiency, reliability, and technology with the added practicality of an open bed.